For years, it was dismissed as a fringe asset. Now, Bitcoin has established itself as a multi-trillion-dollar force, a new global reserve operating outside traditional financial walls. But what is its real price of admission? This isn't about checking today's ticker. This is about stripping away the noise to quantify the true, underlying value of the decentralized future. Join me as I dive into the world of Bitcoin and challenge myself to figure out its true value today. Bitcoin has taken the financial world by storm. Being a digital currency that operates independently of banks and governments, it's decentralized, meaning no single entity controls it, and it's based on a technology called blockchain, which ensures secure and transparent transactions. The significance of Bitcoin lies in its potential to democratize access to financial services and provide an alternative to traditional currencies. Its price has been a topic of intense interest for many, and it's what we'll be focusing on today. The ascent of Bitcoin has been nothing short of phenomenal, with its value fluctuating widely over the years. This inherent volatility has sparked both intense interest and justifiable concern among investors, financial experts, and the general public alike. As we explore its current valuation, it's essential to understand the specific market context and macroeconomic factors that critically influence it. The landscape of cryptocurrency can seem complex, and Bitcoin's valuation is certainly no exception. Many people view Bitcoin as a significant speculative investment opportunity, while others remain much more cautious due to its persistent volatility. Its programmed limited supply and rapidly increasing institutional and retail demand have substantially contributed to its market value, but there are many other economic factors at play. Understanding these drivers is crucial to truly grasping the concept of Bitcoin's utility and potential value. The cryptocurrency market is known for its dramatic unpredictability, and Bitcoin's valuation is no exception. The cryptocurrency market is open to anyone globally, and this broad accessibility has made it a consistently popular topic of discussion. You might have heard about Bitcoin from friends, family, or online investment communities, but do you truly understand the factors that determine its fluctuating value? The truth is, many people struggle to keep up with Bitcoin's value due to constant market fluctuations and the prevalence of online misinformation. Market fluctuations can be genuinely overwhelming, especially for those who are brand new to the world of cryptocurrency investing. The value of Bitcoin can change rapidly and unexpectedly, and it's quite common to see significant price swings within very short periods. Misinformation and a lack of fundamental understanding can quickly lead to poor investment decisions, making it absolutely essential to stay fully informed. With so many diverse sources of information now available, it can be extremely challenging to determine what data is accurate and what is not. The traditional media plays a significant role in shaping public perception, but sometimes, highly sensationalized headlines can unfortunately create market confusion and panic. New regulatory frameworks and government policies across various nations can also profoundly impact Bitcoin's value, which further adds to the uncertainty. The global economic climate, major technological advancements in the space, and even social media sentiment can influence Bitcoin's price at any given moment. To successfully make truly informed decisions in this asset class, it's crucial to diligently consider multiple diverse sources and critically evaluate the credibility of the information presented. Verifying key information through reputable, established financial sources can significantly help you stay ahead of the price action curve. The global cryptocurrency community is known for its intense passion and technical dedication, with many experts sharing their deep knowledge and market insights daily. So, what are the primary forces driving Bitcoin's current value today? Broader market trends, breaking financial news, and prevailing global economic conditions all play a massively significant role. Global economic uncertainty, massive institutional investment flows, and continuous technological advancements are particularly key factors influencing Bitcoin's dynamic value. The entire cryptocurrency market is highly interconnected, and significant changes in one major asset area can frequently impact others. The intrinsic value of Bitcoin is also strongly influenced by its actual real-world adoption rates, the economics of its complex mining activities, and evolving international regulatory environments. A significant surge in widespread corporate adoption can rapidly increase demand, while adverse changes in government regulations can heavily affect its perceived supply and security. Understanding the complex interplay of these factors can help you make complete sense of Bitcoin's current valuation. As of today, Bitcoin's approximate trading value is around the $16,000 mark. Recent major programmatic events such as the halving of Bitcoin's block reward have consistently had a significant predictable impact on its price action over time. Institutional investment uptake and growing mainstream adoption have also substantially contributed to its value proposition. The current value of Bitcoin is fundamentally a result of these complex market interactions. The most recent price movements have been incredibly closely watched by both retail investors and professional analysts who are intensely attempting to predict future market trends. The overall market sentiment, shifting global economic conditions, and continuous technological advancements within the network will all continue to collectively shape Bitcoin's future value. Keeping up with these ongoing developments can fundamentally help you understand the core dynamics of Bitcoin's valuation. In conclusion, Bitcoin's current market value is influenced by a highly complex array of interconnected factors, including critical market trends, impactful news events, and volatile global economic conditions. Understanding and tracking these factors is absolutely essential to making sense of its current trading value. The value of Bitcoin is highly likely to continue its fluctuation trajectory, and staying consistently informed is essential to making sound investment decisions over the long term. If you have any profound thoughts about Bitcoin's true intrinsic value, I'd love to hear them in the comments below. Don't forget to watch my next video on cryptocurrency trends, where we'll explore more compelling topics related to the world of digital currencies.